Have you ever picked up a garment in your usual size only to find it doesn't fit? Well, don't worry, the problem isn't you, it's the system. Clothes were made to fit individual bodies based on their measurements, or they were just loose enough to accommodate lots of shapes and sizes. So no wonder it's such a struggle for many people to find clothes that fit them. So knowing your basic measurements will help you find the right clothing size for you. So now I'm going to demonstrate how to take your measurements on this mannequin here. So I start with the waist, at the smallest part of the waist. Then I move down to the hips. So that should be at the widest part of your hips and your bum. And then finally the shoulders, the widest part of your shoulders. So take a note of your measurements, stick them down somewhere you're going to remember them, in your phone, in your notes, and use those next time you shop.